The UN Human Rights Council has agreed to set up a preliminary investigation into thousands of killings in the Philippines' war on drugs. The resolution was filed by Iceland last month. It will require the UN Human Rights Chief to report back on her findings in a year's time. Now, for more on this, let's cross to Cherrie Regalado in Manila right now. Cherrie, can you tell us how the Philippines has reacted to this?
Well, the Philippines' permanent representative to UN, Evan Garcia, said during the vote that the resolution is ill-advised and politically motivated. He added that it would lead to further polarization and politicization. For Philippine Foreign Secretary Teodoro Locsin Jr., the adoption of the resolution is a minority vote. He adds, and I quote, that it is individually, severally, and collectively unenforceable. He says the resolution has no impact on the Philippines since no power on earth can enforce a multilateral judgment on a country with an armed forces. He also warns that there will be far-reaching consequences for the countries who voted for the resolution's adoption, since voting yes is an insult to the Philippines. Meanwhile, the Human Rights Watch said that the passage of the resolution is a modest but vital measure. Laila Matar, Deputy Director at Human Rights Watch in Geneva, says that it will signal the start of accountability for thousands of drug war-related killings and other abuses. It will also provide hope to countless survivors and families of victims.
All right, thanks for that, Cherrie Regalado, speaking to us from Manila.